those chalky wheels. Kind of step back, this way you think you're wrong. I've got 3 reflective triangles, properly mounted secure, not crack, damaged, or loose. Properly mounted secure, not crack, damaged, or loose. It's at least a 10 BC, and it's fully charged. I'm going to open my door, make sure I got my spare fuses in my little door pocket, door pouch. Then I'm going to use 3 points of contact to enter the truck. Who's going to drive next? You hop in the passenger seat, you 3 hop in the back. Alright, when you get in, you can go ahead and put your key in the ignition. Seat belt, first thing. Seat belt, properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. Belt itself, not torn, cut, frayed, or damaged. It latches and unlatches properly. I'm going to do a safe start, like I showed you. Foot on the brake. Bring your key to the on position. Start your truck. Now, I'm going to start over here with my mirror. My mirror is properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. Clean, clear, no legal stickers, and it is adjusted to me. My windows, properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. Clean, clear, no legal stickers. My weather stripping has no abrasions, bumps, or cuts. It does not leak. My windshield, properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. Clean and clear, no legal stickers. My weather stripping has no abrasions, bumps, or cuts. It does not leak. My wipers, they're working properly. They're properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. The blades has no abrasions, bumps, or cuts. They're flush against my windshield. Windshield washing fluid, it's working just fine, right?
Yep.
Alright. Now, I would check that mirror, that window, that seat belt, exactly how I would check my side. I'm going to check my floor. Make sure there's no debris, water bottles to go under my pedals. Gearbox, properly mounted secure, not cracked, damaged, or loose. Seems to be working properly. I'm going to check my city horn and my air horn. They're both working properly. After my horns, I'm going to turn my headlights on. Headlights are working. High beam indicator is working. Left turn signal is working. Right turn signal is working. My 4-way flashers are working. Now, I'll do my gauges. Each gauge tells you exactly what it is, so make it simple. My trans gauge is working and at the proper level. Engine oil gauge is working and at the proper level. My water gauge is working and at the proper level. Oil gauge is working and at the proper level. RPM gauge, it's working. I cannot check my speedometer yet. My volts gauge is working and at the proper level. Fuel gauge is working. I have enough fuel to get to my destination. My primary and secondary air tank gauges are working, and they are at the correct level, which is 120 to 145 psi. Then I'm going to check my defrost and heat. You have to check both, so put it on defrost and floor. The defrost is working, and my heater is working. Now, let's do a cell test. Engine off. Both brake knobs in. Got my key on. My gauge is sweet. ABS light comes on. ABS light goes off. I'm going to roll my window down. I'm going to listen outside for air leaks for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. No air leaks. That is the S in sail. From the time you turn the key off till you heard no air leaks for 15 seconds. That's your S. Now my A, my applied pressure test. I'm going to apply pressure to my brake pedal for 60 seconds. I cannot lose more than 4 psi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. I didn't lose more than 4. Now L, low pressure warning. I'm going to fan my brakes till my warning light and buzzer come on. They come on before 60 psi. They are working. Now my E, emergency brakes. I'm going to continue to fan my brakes till both of my brake valves or knobs pop out between 20 and 45 psi. They are working. Sail test is complete. Now, next step, how do I get that buzzer to stop?
Start the truck.
Start the truck back up. My key is already on, so I don't have to wait for it to check itself. Now this takes a couple minutes, so you can get the gas up to about 1500 RPMs. Now this is a good time to check yourself. Go back over it. See if you forgot anything. Turn signals, floor, heat, wipers, anything. This is a good time to go back, double check yourself. We're going to wait until we get back to our proper level, which is 120 to 145. So as soon as it gets above 120, we move on. Now, I'm going to have to pull forward a little bit because I may have rolled back on my wheel chock. Alright, when you do this Friday, unbuckle, use 3 points of contact to get out.
Get out. Do we need to get out?
Use 3 points of contact to get back in. As soon as you get back in, yeah. Now you are ready for your TTDS test. TT stands for tug test. You're going to tug against your truck and trailer, see if they're holding. So, go to drive. I'm going to check my tractor first, so I've got to push my trailer brakes in. Give it a little tug. Feel that? Go back to neutral. Tractor brakes work. So now, I'm going to test my trailer brakes. So I got to push in my tractor brakes. Drive. Give it a little tug. Not working. Now, I've done my tug test. Now I'm going to do my drive stop, my DS. On my drive stop, I'm going to look at 3 things. Make sure my service brake works, which is my brake pedal. This is where I check my speedometer. I'm going to hover my hands over the steering wheel to make sure my brakes are not out of adjustment. So, drive, both brake valves in, over your hands, 5 miles an hour. Full stop. Now, tell your tester, my service brake worked, my speedometer worked, my steering wheel didn't pull right or left, indicating my brakes are out of adjustment. After you mention those 3 things, ask your tester to get out and have you check your outside lights. That is it.